Hi, welcome! This is going to be an interesting one. My job is basically a video graphics editor. Danny knows a lot about memes.
I was going to say, and my job is savage.
Danny is going to, he's going to be the brain, and I'm going to be the hands.
Yes.
And we are going to make some memes.
All right.
That's basically it.
That's basically what we're going to do.
What fucking ideas you got?
So,
son,
I want you, we're going to look up pictures of Lego minifigures. Lego minifigure, red shirt. Maybe that one.
what do you want to do with it?
I just want you to deep fry the shit out of it.
Let's go, Bob. Give me a sec.
Okay. Oh, hello, sir. It's fun watching you work.
Gonna see magic happen. Now, I've never deep fried anything,
Okay.
but I have an idea of what you need to do.
Okay.
I'm looking for a specific effect. I think it's posterized, something like that. It's like PO something. Yeah,
Poisterize.
there it is.
Oh, it's okay.
There we go. Let's start there.
Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
And then convert that to pixels so we can edit it further. I think it needs a different background than red. I think it's
that might work.
we can
might work.
We can fry them separate actually, so
Okay.
we'll just do that. I really want this one.
Me too.
So let me, here, before we do that, let's just lighten his face a tiny bit, like right here.
Yeah,
That might look weird, but we'll try it.
we'll see.
I like it. Okay. All right, there's the lad.
All right, you can add text and stuff in there, right? Okay. Top text. The whole thing is gonna be, she took the kids, but I kept my swag.
Okay.
So, top text.
Now, should we put it below him or like over top of him? Actually, he should probably be like. Well, here, let's
Jesus Christ.
let's try this.
Listen, I'm just the vessel, okay?
We're a machine together.
We're a well-oiled machine.
We've never made memes together. I like it. I like it.
I'm a fan. Yes. Yeah.
I want the radius down, but the scale like up. All right, let's go with this. Do you have anything else you could give me to line me up to work on the next one when you do that?
Yeah.
I had that Kermit one we saw.
Oh, yeah. Yes, let's do something with that.
What should we do with Kermit?
All right, let's make it black and white and put him in some like World War II background. Oh my God.
What if we like... What if he's like in there?
What should this one be? What should this one like
I
say?
don't know.
Do we want to find another picture of something else to put in there with him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy shit.
All right, Hugh.
Are you?
You're going in. You're drafted. Okay, and then I think we will darken him. That's kind of terrifying, actually. I don't know if there's anything else to add to this.
Holy shit. I think it's perfect like that, honestly. Holy God.
All right, let's do one more quick one.
Let's do one with like emojis.
Okay. God, there's some good ones. Holy shit.
Sorry.
It's shameless, but I want to deep fry him.
I do too, but we'll put something else in there.
Okay, there he be.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Teletubby son.
Yes. Okay. Let's do this one.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll merge them. All right, there's our plate.
Okay.
It looks like he's one of those like it pains him. I'm trying to think of like what it's similar to. It's like cry through the pain or like laugh through the pain or something.
Vibe through the pain.
All right, well, while we're here.
All right, it should be like vibe through the pain, even if something.
Oh my god.
The only thing I can think of is vibe through the pain, even if bottom text.
Yes, we're doing that.
Vibe through the pain.
Fuck. It's so good.
Oh my god.
I want to see more of the detail.
Yeah.
Of the Steve crying. Yeah, let's try that.
Oh my god.
I'm not touching it. That's beautiful. Holy shit.
Yeah. I was actually gonna say bring the blue up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just gonna bump the saturation. Should it do like crazy colors or just like stick to blues?
No, do purple for this guy. It looks like the cup. It looks like the cup design.
That's good. Let's do some bumping.
I can't really read it.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, I see.
I'm kind of fucking up bottom text. I kind of like it though.
Bottom, yeah.
I like how bottom text looks right now. Do we need anything else to this?
Honestly, I love it.
It's pretty amazing.
As it is.
All right. Let's export this bitch. Wow.
This one fucking kills me for some. I just don't.
Why?
It's just so stupid.
Well,
God.
here are our creations.
Look at him. Oh
I am very happy with the Steve
The
one.
Steve one is so good.
Something about how we got the fried just right. He looks like high. And he got his teeth still. Oh, it's so fucking funny.
Oh my god. I took the kid, I kept the swag, vibe through the pain, even if bottom text. Oh, it's just so good.
Hell yeah.
Oh, it's just so good.
Well, that was a long one for us, a short one for you probably.
Yeah, oh my god, yeah.
But
well, we memed out.
I am happy. We came through with.
We came
these.
through with what we were trying to do.
So bump these everywhere.
I hope all you meme lords are happy.
We'll see you guys.
Bye guys. God. Fucking.
What a
damn it.
glorious.
What an absolutely incredible video.